personalities all over the world. She has represented her whole life in front of us.
Thanks for everything. Always prepared very difficult. Oh, wait. Sorry.
Our syndicate member, thanks for taking that decision of 1,000 rupees per month. So give a big round of applause for him. Enoch is lucky, but there are a lot of children in the world who have a bigger virus.
Love, peace, and
As soon as you open YouTube apps, you can run a search for Khizr Technologies. The channel name is Khizr Technologies. I'll spell it KHIZER Technologies. TECHNOLOGIES. The first video you can find it over there is Vibes, VIBES, which was already being premiered today at 12 o'clock. You can watch the video, like, comment and subscribe to the channel also. And you can share the video with your friends. As soon as you open the channel, the first video is Vibes.
What good day it can be like this.
second time. How are you?
Thank you. You will also put a sign, no? You also want your autograph. Why don't you ask? Yes. Honor this great man for the amazing work he is doing. So I request.
Boarding down madam.
Who owns and accelerated business schools for entrepreneurs for the past 40 years from over 85 languages plus Spanish, Bahasa and Mandarin. Through these graduates, including her business partnership of 9 years in the 80s and 90s with Robert T. of Rich Dad.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂತರ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓಕೆ
Praise the Lord.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Has now become a new norm, and we have got this virtual world to India. And you've been a pioneer in bringing in 2012, you've got virtual world to India. So with the technology, how would you want to advance it to the next level now and create awareness about technology to the world, since you've also tied up with the technology partners? So how would you want to take this forward with the university, ma'am?
Mehak, first of all, when I was a coach with Infosys, I was in knowledge services team. Nandan Nilekani wrote a book, We Are Living in the Flat World. I'm talking about 2008. So I had a vision. I saw things. I know that India is shining. So the book was called India Shining. So like Nandan Nilekani said, we are all living in a flat world where there is no difference between Australia, Canada, India, Muscat or anything. But there is a big difference when you have the skill set and technology. For example, the technology partner Kizar will agree with me.
Exactly.
Like if you go to Dubai, you don't have that kind of option to send WhatsApp with the right technology, and we have to rock the world. We are the brand ambassadors of technology. We are the brand ambassadors of virtual universities. So for the last 7 years, I've put in a lot of effort and worked with different virtual universities, but I am seeing my dream coming true now. So I believe every dream is valid. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We would also want to know from Kizar, how would he take the technology forward in being associated? What are your reasons for getting tied up with the renowned university like Mother Teresa University?
First of all, it is an honor to tag up with St. Mother Teresa University, and we are planning up with different kinds of websites and mobile applications where we can send the information and videos to all the people throughout the world, that is globally. And we have started the work already from last 3 days, and we are still into talks with ma'am what are our future plans, and also with that we'll be taking we'll be increasing the technology. Mostly we'll be doing it virtually, whatever is there, and we'll be introducing a e-learning app where we have this Abacus.
Yes.
And what else, ma'am?
We will be doing e-learning app for VIBES, Vijay's International Brain Enriching Systems. We will have a separate app for psychology, Abacus, life skills, Vedic Max, Genius General Knowledge. And this time of COVID, you need to develop the personality of the children, what parents can do with the minimal interference, maximum output. Minimum input, maximum output. That is the target. Because parents are busy. You still need to go and fetch for the family, right? Children are at home, but they are not at home. So they need to actively engage them with unique teaching methodologies. So we are bringing an app with technologies like graphical visualization, guided imagery, psycho-cybernetics, multiple intelligence, visual auditory kinesthetic, and more. So you need to engage your child with the app, which will help in overall brain development. Me being a memory guru of India and being a serial author and being contributed to the field of memory, my mentor being Dr. Francis Xavier, who is the world memory guru, who is 85 years old, and I have assisted him for 3 years. And I have developed a patent called memory filing system, where my mentor, Francis Xavier, takes numbers from the audience and gives it back. But I take number from the audience. I also ensure that they give the adjective, and I give back the adjective, plus I tell who the person who gave the number. So we have made it an advanced methodology system. At this time of COVID, it is going to be really helpful for children to download this app and do nice. And you know, this app we are planning to release on
2nd week of November.
So it is Children's Day, November 14th, and our chairman's birthday, Nehruji's birthday, and more importantly, Dame Doria DC Korodava's birthday. So it is my dedication to my mentor, and I love what I'm doing, and I do what I love.
Thank you so much for the inputs, ma'am. We would, last but not the least, Ashraf sir, we would want you to just give the university and the technology some words of yours.
Yeah, I'm always with my would-be and...
Better half.
Would-be
yeah,
still, I know.
Better half, and I'm always with St. Mother Teresa's University. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I want to dedicate this for the joint family, the support which was provided by my father-in-law, and I dedicate this day to him. And I love my children, and these 3 are my muskin to do what I'm doing. So they inspire me to do more, be more, and have more. Thank you very much. The media partners, all of you, we love you journalists. Because of you, we travel the world, and you are very important for us. So God bless you and love you all. Thank you, and I always say sorry, please forgive me. I love you, thank you, and God bless you. That's our Opopono prayer for the world. More power to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.